Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to use Trello's Unread Cards filter with our full 2025 guide. Trello's Unread Card filter is a fantastic tool to keep track of unread notifications. It cuts through the clutter and helps you stay on top of any new activities or updates. The first step is opening Trello's board view. Now that we've done that, look at the top right corner of your screen for an icon that looks like an eye. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. The reason we do this is because this icon represents Trello's visibility filters, and that's where you'll find the Unread Cards filter. Next up, from the drop-down menu, select the option that reads Unread. The board view will immediately change to display only the cards with unread notifications. This helps us because it allows us to focus solely on the cards that need our attention, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Now, as you start going through the unread cards, there's something important to note. When you click on a card, the unread status will disappear once you've viewed all notifications. Let me explain why this matters. If you open a card and then navigate away without reading all the new activity, the card will remain in the unread cards filter. This is what's happening behind the scenes. It's Trello's way of ensuring you never miss out on any important updates. Once you've read all the updates and addressed all the unread cards, you can simply return to the normal view. To do this, click the visibility icon again and select None from the drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to clear the filter and return to the regular board view where you can see all your cards, not just the unread ones. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to stay on top of your tasks with Trello's Unread Cards filter. This feature is all about keeping you organized and ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to your Trello boards. Remember, staying on top of updates is crucial in managing your tasks efficiently, and Trello's Unread Cards filter is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.